Hi, Ross Cantor here to talk to you today about Lifepoint's insurance eligibility verification tool for orders within our web provider portal. With our eligibility tool, you can now check coverages for 93% of the insured population with access to over 700 health plans. Let's talk about how this works and review our order entry process. First, patients can either be selected by adding a new patient through an easy-to-use form field or searching for a patient if they already exist in our system. Once I type in that information, I'll be provided with a listing of patients that match that criteria. I'll select the patient that I want to place an order for, and I'll be directed to the order entry page. I'll notice that there is a check eligibility button halfway down the screen. And once I click on that eligibility button, we will send a message over to the insurer to determine if that patient is eligible for testing. In this case, Anthem Blue Cross of California. I'll click on that button, and in this case, I notice that the subscriber ID is invalid. To modify this information, I'll click on Edit Patient, and I'll be directed to that patient's record. I'll click on Primary Insurance. I'll update the policy number with the corrected information. I'll select Update, and I'll be brought back to the order entry page. Once I'm on that order entry page, I can check the eligibility again. There you have it. Now the eligibility has been verified and their insurance is eligible for processing. This information can also be transferred to LAS systems, billing systems, or other ancillary systems as needed. Thank you and have a great day.